The world is constantly changing and moving. Our society is more connected than ever. Each step, each action, each purchase generates a large amount of data. Collecting and interpreting all this information is key to the success of your company. Dexilon, as a company of reference in the EAS industry, helps boost and improve anti-theft systems using cutting-edge technology. Our solutions increase the productivity and profitability of your business. In addition to providing constant security, Dexilon's innovative products create a high flow of data regarding people counting and detection. Our software is a powerful tool to analyze and compare metrics in real time that will enable you to make corporate decisions, quantify marketing strategies, evaluate staff training, calculate the staffing needs of each shop. At Dexilon, we've been evolving and developing technologies within the field of security for over 15 years to meet the demands of the sector. We make more than durable and high-quality products. Our clients benefit from industry-leading solutions, including custom EAS designs, equipment sizing, and needs analysis, with excellent customer service. Our engineers are continually striving to improve the efficiency of Dexilon systems. From initial development to deployment, we are here to help you put the systems into operation optimally through a global network of highly skilled distributors. We design and produce cutting-edge technology from Europe to the rest of the world. At Dexilon, environmental protection and preservation is a key element to the development of our business. Our products are manufactured in full compliance with current regulations. Dexilon equipments are modular and scalable. They adapt to every space or previous installation, customizing both the design and the features needed in every case. Easy installation, configuration, and programming. Thanks to wireless connection and our application for mobile devices, tuning our systems is easier than ever. All the equipment is interconnected and allows the centralized collection of data via the cloud. With our software, you will be able to analyze in real time all the information of your stores through graphs and statistics. With this powerful tool, you will obtain a complete overview of the points of sale anywhere in the world, and you will be able to compare the evolution of each shop. Additionally, by cross-checking this information with your own databases, you will be able to take strategic decisions, such as find stores that are outside the pre-established parameters in real time, define the most convenient operational hours according to the traffic, adjust the professional profiles of every shop, design a marketing strategy for each store. Dexilon provides a full range of possibilities to improve the security and profitability of your business. Dexilon. Digital electronics. Professional solutions.